Welcome back. In this session, we are going to see flashback at database level. So here we are going to cover configuring FRA. FRA stands for flashback recovery area, and then we'll see enabling flashback, and then we'll see how we can perform the recovery using flashback technology. So first you should know what is flashback at database level. The flashback database feature allows you to restore an entire database to a point in time to undoing all changes since that time. It works like a rewind button for the database. Using this feature you can restore a dropped schema or truncated table. Flashback database mainly uses flashback logs to retrieve older versions of data blocks. It is an alternate of incomplete recovery. So by default the flashback feature is off at the database level. So here I can find out the information, select flashback on from database. So here my output is no. It means my flashback feature is off for this database. So if you want to put your database in flashback mode, first you need to check whether the database is in archive log mode or not. So archive log list. So here I can see that my database is in archive log mode. If my database is in not archive log mode, so first put your database in archive log mode, then only you can put your database in flashback mode. Now after that I need to configure FRA. FRA stands for flash recovery area. If you do not configure FRA, then you cannot put your database in flashback mode. The reason is that whatever the logs will be generated, that will be kept inside the FRA. So for that purpose we require to configure FRA. So for configuring the FRA we required to set only two parameters, that is show parameter db recovery. So this is my db recovery file dest parameter, and second parameter is db recovery file dest size. So I need to set these parameter. So first I need to create one directory, cd u01 app oracle admin focus1. So here I am going to create a directory mkdirfra. Now using alter system set command I can change my parameter. So alter system set db recovery file dest size is equal to 1g, and then alter system set db recovery file dest is equal to this location. Now my FRA is configured. Now I need to put my database in mount stage. So first shut immediate, then start up mount, then alter database flashback on. If here you fire a query, select flashback on from database. So now my database is in flashback mode, and then alter database open. Okay. Now using this command flashback data alter database flashback on, if you fire this command, inside the SGA one buffer will be allocated, that is flashback buffer, and some snapshot will be generated inside the flashback buffer, and then RVWR process will be there. So that process will receive all the snapshot from buffer and will put in the FRA. So if you go inside the FRA, app Oracle admin focus1 FRA. Here I can see that my some directory is created, and here my first flashback logs will be generated. So this is my first flashback log.